Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an easy and elegant mini decorative tray. And so what you're going to need some of this silver diamond chain. It is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these 5x7 picture frames, and they come with a silver frame. You won't need that for this particular project, so if you see it in a different color, it doesn't really matter as long as it's 5x7. And I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make the project permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items or alternate items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started.